Hi, welcome back. Today we're gonna look at the point of sale module, which we're gonna go through how to sell an item, how to give a discount, how to do a line discount, transaction discount, how to return an item, and how to void an invoice. Alright, so we click on point of sale and it brings up to the main screen. We designed the software in a way that you don't have to use a mouse, but to start, just simply type the name, the first few characters of the name, press the down arrow. System will do a search, press enter. In this case, we're selling each. So a quantity, you put 2 there. Repeat the process for a second item, down arrow, enter, quantity, say 5, enter. So there's 2 items and the point is on the transaction. Now if I want to give a discount, I can use up down arrow and press F8, which is line discount. I want to give a 10%, enter, and F8 to apply. Everything is fine there. Then we go press F12, collect $300, enter, show me the change, and then F12 to print. We do then print a receipt as shown, and show on the screen the cashier how much change they should give to the customer, and then click OK or press enter to start a new transaction. If the customer, for argument's sake, want to return those items, return just one item, which is the 2 tablets, enter each. We had sold 5 before, so got the transaction option here, and you say return. System will then do a screen change, showing a different color and flashing a big return here. $35 going to the customer. You press F12. You don't need to put anything there. Press enter, and then F12 to register the transaction. So print a receipt. To then print a receipt and give out the cost of $35. Let's change. Now let's say we did another transaction. It's like over here, one of those, and sell some cat of them as well. So 2 of those. $245 is the total. You can give a discount, click in here, 10%, and that's a transaction discount. And F12 payment, so you get $300 and closed off. F12, print our bill, display the change, enter. Now if the patient returned the entire transaction, now this is what we call a void. So you got transaction history. These are all the transaction that was processed. We're now at transaction number 10. So the previous one was that one for the 2 items. As you can see here, when I click here, it displays the items below here. That's on the transaction. So this is transaction. You select it, then you get transaction option, and you say void invoice, and you say yes. It will then print a bill for you, a void bill, showing like that. And that's it. Previously I showed you how to do a trial transaction. If it's a prescription, is F9 as previously shown. Prescription is already cashed out, so we can't cash it out at that time, but F9, select the transaction and then run it through as normal. In a nutshell, that's it.